What's up, team? Doing pre-recorded Zoom today. I gotta pick up my kid early, so this will be up by 4 p.m. Hopefully, my time, New York. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. We're, we're back to trading. Full week ahead. BTC halving. Got some things going on. Let's check the news. See the economic calendar real quick, team. Mm. Okay, we got bill auction, Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 8:30. Got a red book on Tuesday. Got a red book on Tuesday. Home sales tool. So Tuesday should be very, very interesting. Inflation rate. UK. Wednesday. Orange. That'd be 8:30 in the morning. I don't think that's gonna hit the market. Durable goods orders for sure. 8:30. So Tuesday and Wednesday we gotta be on the lookout for Thursday. GDP. Okay. So tomorrow should be decent. All right, that's all that upcoming. Let's just focus on tomorrow. So tomorrow, not a lot of madness. We only got Chicago Fed National Activity Index, which I don't think is gonna be a big impact. I think the move or the decision on where the market is gonna go is probably gonna wait for Tuesday or GDP, in my opinion. So let's get to it. So we got five, what, 6, sorry, 6 red days on both, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, this one put in a green doji, but that was irrelevant, obviously. So almost the same amount of impact on the bear sides on Qs and SPY. So can we go down more? Yes, we could. Can we bounce? Of course we could, but we gotta be reading these charts basically the volume, the trend, where everything's into it. If we don't see, basically, if we didn't see a strong bounce on Friday, I don't think we're gonna bounce maybe until midday tomorrow. So I'm in calls, of course. We did bounce on the calls. It bounced really nice. So I'm looking to reclaim 500. If we could reclaim 500, I'll be comfortable. But if we don't, then things could get very, very ugly and go down more. The Mac in this looks nasty. Like it has like no life, to be honest. This thing is like almost making a double top to go down more, and this is still red, dark, high volume on bears daily as well. So this is exact replica of SPY, the Mac and the RSI is exactly the same. So volume as well increased. So that's what I'm saying. We could possibly leak more. So I got alerts for shorts around 493.55 on SPY. Watch that level. You could start being on your toes around 494 to see if that alert's gonna go. And then if we are gonna go up, like I said, I will feel more comfortable if we up above 500, but I think you could ride the 497.70s, the longs, maybe right before 500, because if we don't get above 500, my thesis is we're gonna reject on the 500 and then just come down. So that's gonna be a big area. I've been playing that level all week last week, 500, 500. So I'm coming this week with that same level and that same main level in my head, basically. So that's a big level for me, 500 on SPY. Um, if we do go and break above 500, we're going to 503. That's just my thesis. We break below, obviously, my alert to the downside. What's this? 493. So we could go to 492.97. I mean, sorry, not 97. 492.20 area. And then 490, like 491, 490.73 around there. Because it did get wicked crazy down to those lows on SPY. So um not to those lows, I'm sorry. We did get a crazy sell-off on Friday, really low that broke lows on SPY. So we could breach lower to go to these lows on these candles. There's some, I don't think we're gonna hit 490. I think that's a little overdoing it. So if the bears are here, I think 492 is a good level, in my opinion. That's I'm sorry, bull flag break around here as well. So I like this level to go long, and it'll be a swing. I will hold it. Um, we got to get some type of relief bounce, in my opinion. This is a real hard sell, really fast, in my opinion. Um, Bears came in full throttle. Can't say nothing else. Qs, I'm not talking about Mac and our size. Same thing I said about SPY. Same thing on Qs. So the levels I got for shorts for y'all are 412.55. Obviously, go for the 412 puts. That should bring it down to 411.5 maybe, and then be careful. This is resistance around here, so it could bounce, resistance or support, or it could get uglier. But watch that for the puts, and for longs, 417.65. I think if it goes there, go for either the 420s, 419s. Just be careful around 418.5 after the 417 crack alert. But if it does, you'll still be able to print. Just be careful around that area because there is some rejection. I should actually put this a little higher. All right, gang. So overall, though, if I had to pick a side, I'm not gonna be a full bear, obviously, because the daily sold off so much on the last 5 to 6 days. But I'm basically trying to catch a bounce. I'd rather be a bull right now instead of a bear. I had a choice. Okay, so let's get to it. Let's talk about AMD, NVIDIA. Get you guys going. Mean sell on NVIDIA Friday, guys. Crazy sell. So AMD wants to go to the 200 most likely. So I wouldn't touch AMD until we get to that area. So that's 143. Actually, 143, 144. 1 second, yeah. Like I was saying, gang, AMD, sorry about that. I will watch the 200 bounce. Let's just go 144. No, it looks bullish though. Looks heavy, 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 heavy. Lower rejection on the other side, still bad on the map. Oh my God, NVIDIA ripped past the 50. So we did Zoom a couple days ago. I was like, hey guys, let's just draw this trend line on AMD before this red candle appeared. I remember precisely. Before this red candle appeared, I told team, let's draw this trend line. Second touch on trend line, guys. If it doesn't hold above, we already know the deal. It's not gonna be good. And look at what happened ever since it broke under. a 3-day move to the downside. That's why it's very important to draw trend lines on the daily, on your 15-minute time frames, even on your 1 minute. I use them on all. But there you go, clear as day, beautiful trend line break to the downside. And it still looks bearish. AMD could go all the way down here, 740 to be honest. This is resistance area. Should bounce around there. So pay attention to AMD there for the bounce. Apple. Okay. Oof, Apple don't look pretty, guys. Oh man, looks heavy on Apple. Apple. We're outside the Bollinger Band though. Yeah, this is my Bollinger Band, the white line. We're a little bit out that day. So let's see if it's real. See if we can get a bounce back into the Bollinger Band. So 186.80. Microsoft, Jesus. Microsoft look like the Qs. I put in a little weak ass candle third day. Came right back down. 3 black crows, ladies and gents. Switch to 395.70 touch. Try to bounce it long. That breaks and doesn't bounce. It's gonna go to 393. Hopefully it don't. But yeah, I expect a little sell-off more. Doesn't look strong yet. So Apple outside the bottom. Wait. Oh, about to start putting these candles hollow. So the Bollinger Band as well. The candle is outside the Bollinger Band as well on Microsoft. So that's a good sign. It should come back in. Let's see if it really works. Next is ooh, okay. So Meta didn't sell that hard like the other ones. This is a good area where it stopped at. If we don't go lower from here, we could definitely start going up towards ER. And we already bounced inside the Bollinger Band. That's a good sign. So bounce 1, 2, 3, 4, like 6 times it bounced here. Actually more if you count back in. So that looks good for longs. Snap was doing well too a couple of days. I mean last week, guys. At that towards the end of the week it read. But it held those calls. So watch that. Still positive on the Mac, so that's good. See if we get a bounce finally. Google respecting the 21. Google does not want to go below the 21. See the liquidity on the 21? Those buyers, those sellers can survive on there, so the buyers come in on that 21 bounce. So it's still an uptrend. So I'm gonna keep this alert because it's still going uptrend. If I draw the line from here up, it will be perfect bounce. You go from the low all the way up, and it should go right on. The matter of fact, I'm over here. Yeah. So we got 2 touches. Now, if we would have drawn it like this before all those candles came in, we probably would have caught the reject and short. But now that more candles developed and you see the reaction on the 21, it's safe to draw going along the 21 because you've seen the reaction that's happened. So, nice hold here because of that candle, right? The openings of these candles. The opening right here is almost in the same range. And it kind of makes sense because there's a double top going on in here. So it's like using this area of resistance now as support if it's real. So let's see if we go higher. Oh my God, Netflix. Yeah, I forgot they had ER. Netflix could drop to 549. Yeah. Sweet. So I want to try to get a no longs or maybe until end of day tomorrow on Netflix. If y'all want to try to catch a reversal. But on bounce, we're going to 545. Amazon broke the 50. Oof, okay. See if it goes down more to here. 172. See if Amazon could come down more and give us an entry. Like this entry bounces right here, right here. It's not too far from there. It looks heavy. Yeah, whoa, that's a big Mac can increase on the book bears too. Every damn, all of them got increased volume on Friday. So everybody got. I did it already. I got it already. Thank you.
This?
Yeah, yeah. The Tesla now. Tesla ER. Oof. I'm gonna be honest. Tesla just. I think it's just gonna keep going down. I got no hope for Tesla no more. They just got some bad news on recalls on Cybertrucks. So now supposedly the dynamics of the company are changing. So I wouldn't even try to long Tesla until maybe after earnings, which is when is the earnings? Tuesday. So be patient until Tuesday. But doesn't look good. Looks bearish. All right, we done. Let me get to some names. Baba looks interesting. Earth finally probably could do something. So Baba put in a very strong candle for Friday and a lot of stuff selling. So this is the only China name I got. Don't really want to dwell too much on China, but you see Baba break above the 69.40 area, try to go long on it. Merck looks like we're getting a break on this RSI finally with a higher pivot. So and Mac looks good. So I will watch Merck honestly above this 126.55 area. Yeah, justice for you guys. Right. A lot of health names did pretty good. Pfizer did good. I know it was in that swing. Sold for 20%, guys. That probably went like almost 80 to 100% because Pfizer went crazy on Friday. Next, we got Comcast. We got Clorox. Super defensives. All right, we got nice Comcast break on beautiful move on Friday. Comcast it broke clean on above the 9. This was resistance on the little channel it was trading on for the past couple days. This was big resistance, so there should be um some type of continuation, possibly to the 21 with ER coming. I like it. I'm gonna wait for a pullback though, so I'm gonna wait around here. Pullback Comcast Bulls is in. Bulls is in on Clorox in my opinion. Nice hammer candle, and we already crossed on the RSI. So bullish crossing RSI. Think it should be clean close to around here. 144.20. Good year. Small account. MGM. Let's see if we can get above this 200 on MGM. We look double bottoming on the RS. This is the man, as y'all can see. It always gets bought up around here. So we're gonna use this VP line, my line green line, for entry. So watch above that. Yeah. Goodyear, small account friendly guys. Third bounce here on Goodyear guys. Get my drift. Anyways, gonna watch Goodyear above here. 12 on 5. That's bullish engulfing. I watch tomorrow on this one. Rip on the R's. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow. That's a big bullish engulf with that. Like that candle. BJ's. Bollinger Band, bounce, possibly. Watch BJ's. Nice green candle on Friday. We just gotta see it break 74. I'll say 60, right? The only reason I can be strong to the upside is because there's no tint on the Mac, but the RSI low key's kind of snitching, saying he wants to go up. Broger, yeah. Kroger looks good. Kroger does not want to fall below this level. That's what I'm reading off these charts. So Kroger needs to break above here to go higher. Yeah, Kroger looks fire, guys. Hey, damn, Philip Morris. Wow. This might be a ER thing going on. Yeah, I'm gonna see what happens on pullback. Damn, what a runner. Market was dumping. This was just gradually climbing. Nice. Probably MO2 probably looks crazy because they're both on my list. Yep, MO's ready too. There's a top trend too. Top trend line. Might not be too late on this one. This one been cracked though. This thing been ripped the scale. Would have to go like this, multiple touches on this angle on the trend. 3 days. All right. So that's tobacco, guys. Plug looks like a bear play. I got a bear play still. Plug. Should bring 248. I think it's gonna dump. CBOE, nice break over here coming on the 9 and 21. Everything looks great. All longs here, guys. All longs are CBOE. Coming off a beautiful demand area. Two more, I think that's it. Yeah, just good. Like it's holding on, kept bouncing on this Bollinger Band. Look at the price reaction on the daily. That band was just holding it up the whole time. All right, I got Mata and Ryan, and we're done, gang, because you know BTC halving happening. So how can we not talk about these? And we played Riot on Friday, but we ODT'd it. Took them to 2 cents to like 18 cents, 16. I'm sorry, 2 cents to like 12, 10. It did keep ripping though towards the end of the day. We broke the 9 on the daily. Mata still under the 200, so I will watch Mata above the 200. 1720 area. They got half calls, so you can go for the half calls. And Riot, we're gonna watch above $9.40, I'll say. Yeah, let's do $9.40 on Riot. More. But yeah, we look good. And this already crossed, and we don't even got a MAC green yet on both. Tomorrow could be MAC green on both. That's why we should watch miners. All right, gang. Like I said, sorry I had to do this early. I had to go get my son early today. So around the time Zoom is, the time I won't be around. All right. Be easy, gang. See ya in the morning.